Have you ever wondered about the ancient wisdom of fennel seeds? They date back to the time of pharaohs and Roman warriors who believed in their power. But what happens when you eat fennel seeds every day? Let's explore the 6 incredible benefits. Number 1, helps clean the blood of toxins. Fennel seeds, one of the world's oldest spices dating back to ancient Egypt and Rome, offer a remarkable array of health benefits. One of these is their ability to help cleanse the blood of toxins. Fennel seeds are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamin C, making them potent agents for neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, contributing to various diseases. The antioxidants in fennel seeds don't just stop at free radical scavenging. They also possess diuretic properties, which means they can stimulate an increase in urine production. This increase in urine volume aids in the removal of toxins from the body, reducing the load on the kidneys and liver, which are responsible for filtering these toxins from the blood. Furthermore, fennel seeds contain compounds like anethol, known for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These properties not only help in reducing inflammation in the body, but also protect against harmful bacteria and viruses that can contribute to the buildup of toxins in the blood. To incorporate fennel seeds into your daily routine, you can sprinkle a few on your dishes, or infuse them in a warm cup of water for a refreshing fennel tea. However, it's important to choose organic sources to avoid potential pesticide residues in non-organic varieties. Number 2, clears the skin from acne. For those struggling with acne, fennel seeds might offer some unexpected relief. Acne is often triggered by the overgrowth of a specific skin bacteria known as Propionibacterium acnes. Fennel seeds contain compounds such as anethol and fenchone, which exhibit potent antibacterial properties, effectively countering the growth of this acne-causing bacteria. In addition to their antibacterial properties, fennel seeds also boast compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Since inflammation is a key driver of acne, as it can cause redness, swelling, and irritation, these compounds contribute to calming the skin and reducing the severity of acne. To benefit from fennel seeds for your skin, you can either consume them in powdered form or raw, ideally in combination with milk or water. This way, you'll maximize the advantages of these tiny but powerful seeds in your fight against acne. Number 3, may reduce the risk of cancer. Cancer is a global concern, and dietary choices play a significant role in its prevention. Fennel seeds, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, may offer a degree of protection against certain types of cancer. The antioxidants found in fennel seeds help protect the body against oxidative stress, a process that can damage cells and contribute to the development of various diseases, including cancer. The anti-inflammatory properties of these seeds also help reduce inflammation in the body, another crucial factor in cancer prevention. Anethol, a compound found in fennel seeds, is of particular interest in the fight against cancer. Multiple studies have demonstrated anethol's ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory settings, potentially preventing tumor formation within the body. Additionally, fennel seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which may reduce the risk of colon cancer. Fiber helps maintain a healthy digestive system and may prevent the formation of polyps in the colon, which can lead to cancer over time. Moreover, these seeds have shown promise in fighting breast cancer and other tumors. The essential oils within fennel seeds are believed to be responsible for this beneficial effect. Incorporating fennel seeds into your daily diet can be a simple yet effective way to harness their cancer-fighting potential. Number 4, regulates blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for cardiovascular well-being, and fennel seeds can play a role in its regulation. These seeds are not just a flavorful spice, but also a source of key minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are pivotal in blood pressure management. Potassium is a mineral that helps balance the levels of sodium in the body. An imbalance in sodium levels can lead to high blood pressure. Fennel seeds provide a notable amount of potassium, making them a valuable addition to your diet for blood pressure control. Magnesium, another mineral found in fennel seeds, plays a vital role in blood pressure regulation as well. It helps relax blood vessels, leading to lowered blood pressure and improved circulation. Maintaining adequate magnesium levels is important for overall heart health. In addition to potassium and magnesium, the fiber content in fennel seeds also contributes to their blood pressure regulating abilities. Fiber helps prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a condition that can narrow blood vessels and increase blood pressure. Integrating fennel seeds into your daily meals or snacks can be a tasty and natural way to support your cardiovascular health and keep your blood pressure within a healthy range. Number 5. Improve sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall well-being, and fennel seeds may hold the key to better nights of rest. The anethol and estragol found in fennel seeds possess sedative properties, helping you relax and promoting sleep. These compounds can alleviate anxiety and stress, common factors that contribute to sleep disturbances. Additionally, the magnesium content in fennel seeds is crucial for sleep regulation. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for promoting relaxation and helping the body transition into a restful sleep state. Fennel seeds are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid in reducing inflammation within the body. This is especially important for sleep, as inflammation can lead to discomfort and disrupt sleep patterns during the night. To enjoy improved sleep, consider incorporating fennel seeds into your diet, or even as a calming evening tea. Their natural sedative properties and calming effects can contribute to a more restful night's sleep. Number 6. Boosts digestive health. Fennel seeds are renowned for their ability to boost digestive health. Research suggests that these seeds can help relieve symptoms of common digestive issues, such as indigestion, bloating, colic, food poisoning, and diarrhea. The digestive benefits of fennel seeds come from several mechanisms. Firstly, they contain compounds that help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, facilitating the digestion process. This can be particularly beneficial for people who suffer from issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. Moreover, fennel seeds promote the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food more efficiently. This can help in the prevention and alleviation of digestive discomfort. If you're dealing with occasional indigestion or discomfort after meals, fennel seeds can be a simple and natural addition to your dietary regimen. You can incorporate them into your meals, chew them raw, or prepare a soothing fennel tea for relief. Incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine offers a multitude of benefits. From cleansing the blood of toxins to promoting bone health, these ancient seeds have much to offer. However, remember that while fennel seeds can enhance your overall health, they should complement, not replace, professional healthcare advice. Enjoy the journey to better health with fennel seeds. Adding fennel seeds to your daily routine can bring a wealth of benefits. Remember, while they're a fantastic addition to your diet, they should complement, not replace, professional healthcare advice. Enjoy the journey to better health with fennel seeds.